Matapos makausap si Kuya, ang task leaders tinipon ang mga kasama.
Tipon-tipon lahat sa living room, please. Okay, guys. Unang-una, gusto namin magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. As your task leader, sobrang rewarding at fulfilling na makita kayong lahat na nagpupursige sa task na to. And it really means the world to us. Pero kami ni Shuvi, meron kasi kaming hindi nasasabi sa inyo. We were just waiting for the perfect timing to tell you this. So we thought na wala nang ibang paraan kung hindi sabihin ito through a task letter that we received a few days ago. Housemates, para sa inyong 9th weekly task na tatawagin kong Picture with Feelings, ay kukuha kayo ng 3 pictures ng palihim gamit ang isang camera. Sa bawat picture na inyong kukunan, dapat malinaw na makikita dito ang emosyon na aking hihingiin mula sa housemate na panggagalingan nito. Upang manalo ay kailangan niyong makuha ng tama ang 3 pictures na aking hihingiin. Ang weekly task na ito ay pwede lamang malaman ng 3 nominated duo na sina Josh, Ralph, Cyril, Dustin, at kayo, Bianca. Sorry!
Wala kayo?
Nangangahulugan, bahagi din ng task ninyong mga nominado ay mag-isip ng kapani-paniwalang decoy weekly task para sa lahat ng ibang kasama.
On the first day, Pandidiri, it was actually kind of easy to make you Pandiri Esnir.
Baklo, yun pa talaga yung pinaano niya. Galing na galing po ako sa kanila kasi paano po nila nagawa yun, di ba?
It was so real and it was so honest and we appreciate you, Mikmik. Thank you so much.
Happy tears.
Happy tears. And then thirdly, River. I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry.
Like, it was so hard for me to do that, but like, for the task, so I hope we talk later and then we clear things out. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry if I pushed your buttons. It was really not, that was our intention. That was our intention, but like, it was not real, and I hope you forgive me for it, Rivsky.
It gave me a peace of mind kasi akala ko nababaliw na lahat ng mga tao dito, pati ako. Because why would they think that way, or why are they thinking that way and not concerned about Sai?
For me naman, guys, I understand it's a task. And kung lalagay ko yung position ko sa position nyo, it's gonna be so hard for me to do that. And sobrang bilib ko sa inyo nagawa nyo. Sobrang galing nyo.
Proud pa.
Thank you, leaders. Thank you guys.
Matapos ang anunsyo ng mga task leaders at ng mga nominado, si Shuvi emosyonal na humingi ng tawad kay River.
Hindi rin ako yun, hindi rin ako. Sorry, ako sorry rin sa kanila. Hindi lang yan, Shuvi. Basta okay tayo.
Nang kumalma na ang mga emosyon ay patuloy na nagpaliwanagan sina Shuvi at River.
Pero yun lang talaga magti-trigger sa akin talaga. Kung may ina-appear, may parang binubuli, sobrang kawawa yung isa.
Sorry,
talaga I had to. Yun talaga yung level. Yun, grabe. Hindi ko, nagulat rin ako sa sarili ko. Kasi hindi talaga ako good noon, hindi talaga pero at least, gumana talaga, gumana. Nagamit ko yan sa acting ko. Pero no matter how many times, kung tamaan mo ako kanina, kung sapakin mo ako, hindi kita yan. Hindi kita. Kaya you don't have to worry kanina.